I'm Tiara Parker Ragland, and this is Find and Design, the show where we explore multi-million-dollar homes in search of interesting and unique design, and then show you how to recreate and achieve that design in your very own home. Some of the homes that we'll see are on the market, and our host and designer, Jay Monopar, is going to walk us through it.
This is the house I wanted to look at with you all day long. It's 2284 Hercules Drive. This is a historic Mount Olympus neighborhood of Los Angeles. If you make it in Hollywood, you end up living in a place like this.
Now, Jay not only has a great design eye, he also remodels homes, builds custom furniture and exterior landscape spaces. And he's a comedian.
That doesn't make any sense, but who cares? We're in a $9 million house. Nothing makes sense. I don't even know how people can pay for this thing.
You're also going to need a wheelbarrow, a shovel, a rake, a 2x4, a hand tam, and a push broom. I didn't bring those here because I'm a stupid man. We're in this room now. Where's this room? It's right here. Number 3, dump in a layer of decomposed granite.
Hey guys, so I found this awesome house out in West Hollywood. I think it's gonna be plum for a cool design. I got a camera crew out there, they're waiting for us. Let's find some design, we'll come back to the workshop and let's talk about it.
And what they did here is something I love it when designers take this extra step. They book match this. Essentially what that is you have a large, thick piece of marble and you kind of bandsaw straight through it, and then you take the pieces and you open them up. So you actually get a mirror image of itself, and it creates this beautiful, dramatic design feature. And that's something that you want to find in an $11 million house.
So join us as we tour some amazing homes in search of creative design and interview with top designers to get their perspective on what it takes to do it yourself. Right here on Find and Design.